What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Duramax Diesel channel. We have finally made it up to Truck Mania 2019. We rolled up with the gang this morning. We got my buddy D-Max Al, Big Red 7.3, my truck, and my buddy Chase, which is LBZ Duramax _18. You know, they'll all be in here somewhere. Anyways, guys, we woke up bright and early, barely any sleep, but we left at like, I think 5:45 this morning to get up here early, bright and early. We're in the show and shine lot, just hanging out. So hopefully I'll be able to meet up with a lot of you guys today, but we're gonna see what's going on, and yeah, we're just gonna be hanging out, going to all the events today. It should be a pretty fun day. Obviously I only have the stock LOY, so it's not really anything too crazy, but we'll see what the day brings. All right, we did tune it last night. I didn't film anything on it, but it is tuned. We're gonna get it refined a little bit, but I made it last night. It's not so good, and that's why I haven't posted anything yet. So anyways, we'll see what the day brings, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day.
You need to get a first.
You gonna do some go fast and stuff today?
Yes, we are. We're going drag races today.
Oh shoot, buddy. Yeah. Oh yeah, I saw you took the headlight out. So
Why'd you take the headlights out?
the headlights out, weight reduction. That's it. It's the only reason.
Airflow, which goes in and then creates more air.
Yeah, no.
Go faster.
No.
on YouTube, dog?
It's just, yeah, you're on YouTube. Oh, look at that. Road soda. What do you, all right, so this truck's got 64mm turbo, Mike L built trans. What else? It's got Danville tunes.
Yeah.
Anything else? Lift pump.
Lift pump.
Lift pump, all the good stuff. So we're gonna see what'll run today. S&B intake. So pretty mild. This is probably like what like most you know, everyone will be. This is like a good like setup that most people will run. So you got a slightly bigger charger, built trans, tuned, all the good stuff. So we'll definitely be following this to see how fast he runs today. What's your prediction? I mean, we already talked about it, but so maybe 13s. Yeah, I mean that's fair for a full weight truck. You didn't do any real weight reduction or anything, so should be pretty good. You got tie rod sleeves and all that stuff though, so we're gonna do 4-wheel drive launch. Yeah, maybe. Better. You better do the thing. So we'll go ahead and see what he runs later on when they open up racing. I think it's usually in the afternoon, right? So
Yeah, probably noon.
yeah, we'll see. Good. Alright, so we decided that we needed to change our fuel filters, which I've been meaning to do for like crazy long time, whatever. We're probably in the sun here. Hold on, we'll move over here. So these are the new Fass fuel filters, and supposedly they're backwards and they don't make sense to me, but we're gonna put them on anyways. So the water separator now goes in the fuel filter location, and there's no drain on it. And then we don't litter, I'm just kidding. But so this goes on the other location, and then this goes where the water filter. It's all backwards. We'll figure it out though. see, get me picking up the shit so they know I'm not really littering. We've made a little bit of a mess, but it's no big thing. Covered in diesel when I wasn't supposed to be. But we have the old water separator off. I should have loosened this before I got diesel all over my hands. Oh, we're still strong, so it's good. Just pre-filling, you know, doing the thing. God, look how nasty this is. This is probably way bad. Ugh. So now they're like opposites. So this is actually the fuel filter. No, this is actually the water separator that used to be on the. Oh my God, they're like too close. Oh, I think we're good. We're good. It's tight, but we're good. But look at this new sleek design. Can't even see them as much. Maybe everyone was complaining about how much you could see them. But anywho. Got them all swapped over and made a little bit of a mess. Now I need to fix the wiring for it, but we won't talk about that. So, new fast fuel filters from, what was that place? NorCal Diesel Performance. They hooked it up. So, make sure you go check them out, give them a follow. I don't know their Instagram, but I'll probably find it. So sweet deal. That's all I got for now. Alrighty guys, if you have made it to Truck Mania, I will say the giant corn dogs, fucking amazing. I don't know who puts ketchup and mustard on a corn dog, but we'll let it be. So I don't know, but come grab a corn dog. Quality. I know you're gonna like see this like 2 days after this thing's over, so it doesn't really matter anyways, but next year, come grab a corn dog.
Ay, coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name. Big been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again, I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action, I'm active. If he never heard of been dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping, keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell him, Mosialis, flawless, broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's in since she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is
Yeah, it goes. Hashtag bring back the 80s. I told you, Justin Radford is one bad dude. He's a 3-time short course champion. Sponsored by Maxxis, he's the Honda pilot.
That thing rips, bro. That thing is sick. Oh my god.
That's nothing for him. We gotta make some noise. if he knew what a tough truck competition was when he signed up. Taking it just as wide as he can. He didn't tell anybody this is a rental.
Oh, there goes a tire, bro.
We're going to tire.
He just said, fuck it.
Let's just keep it going. Don't slow down now.
Oh yeah, it blew.
It's definitely a rental.
Explain that one to your
Go
wife,
back with
buddy.
the gas all the way up. Wonder if they got the $12 a day insurance. We just gotta make some noise. Let's cheer them on. We wanted carnage and we got it. He finishes the course with a who cares, let's just give him all the money. I'm kidding, 112.31, 112.31.
Alrighty guys, so that's about wraps it up for today at Truck Mania. I think we're gonna get heading out soon. So, we're done here. I know I didn't do any racing or dynos this time. Obviously I only have my daily with me, not the built truck, so it's kind of what it is. But next year we should be coming back with the built truck and maybe the race truck if we're done. We get a lot to do a lot of times, but that's gonna wrap it up for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys later on the Duramax Diesel channel. I'm out.